Good day, everyone. My name is still Mr. Jobson Omokan. You are welcome to my YouTube channel on the Google platform. Today, I'll be taking you physics, and the title of today's tutorial, as you can see on the board, is physical quantities. And the subtopic we shall consider is fundamental quantities. Now, the question is, what is physical quantities? From the board, physical quantity is defined as the physical properties of a material, which can be determined by measurement. So, for you to determine the physical property of a material, you need to measure that material. That will give you a better understanding of that material. Now, this physical quantity of a material, as you can all see, is a very wide concept, which is further classified into two. Physical quantity are classified into two. We have fundamental quantity and we have derived quantities. But in this video, we are going to consider fundamental quantities. That is why the subtopic is fundamental quantities. So the question is, what is fundamental quantity? Fundamental quantities are the basic quantities that are independent of others and cannot be dependent. Or defined in terms of other quantities, or defined in terms of other quantities, or derived from them, or derived from them. Now, these other quantities are referred to as derived quantities, which we shall consider in our subsequent video. Now, these fundamental quantities are also referred to as basic quantities. They are referred to as basic quantities. They are referred to as basic quantities because other quantities depend upon them. So, we shall consider some examples with respect to these fundamental quantities. Where is the duster? Sorry. So fundamental quantities and their respective units. The unit of fundamental quantities are referred to as fundamental units. So basically we have 7 fundamental quantities, and out of those 7, the first 3 are referred to as the basic quantities, and the last 4 are referred to as also the basic quantity. But the first 3 are more important than the last 4, but all are referred to as fundamental quantities. So let's look at fundamental quantities and their respective units. So in a tabular form. So let's make it in a tabular form. Quantity. Let's assume that this is serial number, and we have quantity. We have units, that's their respective units, and we have symbols as well. So the first we can consider is length. The first fundamental quantity, or one of the fundamental quantities, is length, out of the first 3 I talked about. And then the unit of length is meter, and the symbol for meter is capital letter, or small letter m rather. Meter, small letter m. Then the second we shall consider is mass, and the fundamental unit of this quantity, mass, is kilogram, and the unit is kg. The next is time, and the fundamental unit of time is seconds. The symbol is S. 4, we have electric current, and the unit of electric current is ampere. It's capital letter A. Do not forget to write capital letter A because it is written capital letter A because it is written, or it was discovered by Ampere. The name of the scientist that discovered this electric current, the influence or the effect of this electric current is Ampere. So whenever you are writing the symbol of the unit, you will write it in capital letter A, not small letter a. Please take note. So the fifth is temperature. Temperature, and the unit is Kelvin. Is named after the name of the name of this unit is based on the, or renamed after the name of the person that discovered this unit. So the symbol is also capital letter K, not small letter k. Then we have the next, we have amount of substance. It's mole, and the symbol is MOL. Last but not the least is luminous intensity, which is candela, and the symbol is CP. So looking at the unit, you agree with me that the symbol M is small letter, kg is small letter, S small letter, MOL and CD. But A and K are capital letter because they are named after the scientists. So please take note, and I want to urge you to please go over the video again, because these fundamental quantities form the basis of other units. If you don't understand this video, it will be difficult for you to understand subsequent videos. So thank you for watching. God bless you. But do not forget to please subscribe and share this video as we wait for the next video. Thank you for watching.